Hello, welcome to another Leetcode problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 865, some smallest subtree with all the deepest nodes. So if we read this problem description, so what is given is you are given a binary tree, and then from the binary tree you need to find the smallest subtree with the deepest node. So what does it mean? So let's say in this example we are given a tree. So smallest subtree is this one, and which has a deepest node 7 and 4. And then you need to return this particular subtree as a result. So when you do a post order traversal, so that's going to be 274 as output, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So we know that we need to find in the given problem statement, it is given that depth is something from the root to the leaf, the distance, right? Now if in this example what is given is, let's say 3 is your root, and from the third node you have to traverse, and then you need to figure it out where is my deepest leaf node. So in this example, let's say this is my deepest leaf node, but how do I know whether it is on the left hand side or whether it is on the right hand side? So you have to divide and conquer, apply divide and conquer strategy. You have to split the tree into two subtree. This is my first subtree, which is the left subtree, and then this is my right subtree. So once you split your left and right, now what you need to do is you need to find out which subtree has the highest depth. So definitely the subtree which has the highest depth is going to be having the deepest leaf node, right? So in this example, the left subtree, if I calculate the height of this left subtree, so that's going to be, so root is at its zeroth node, and then this is first level and this is second level. So this has the highest depth as 2, and this in this right subtree, this is zeroth node, and then this is first node. So obviously if I compare left height versus right height, so right is greater than left, right? RIGST. So now once I do this, once I got this, I have to again iterate, again do the same thing. Again I have to go to the left. Now I know the answer is on the left side, so I'll go to the left hand side, and then I'll perform the same operation that I am doing, that I did just now. Now again I reached here this particular node. Now again I will divide into the left and the right. So once I divide into the left and the right, so I'll figure it out, okay, which particular side has a highest depth. So here it is the left hand side which is the highest depth. Sorry, not the, in this case this is the right hand side which is highest depth. Now again I'll change my pointer to this particular one. Now again I try to calculate left and right. So in this case the depth is same for the both nodes. So whenever I reach a case where left is equal to right, so that is my root. Basically this parent will be a node which will be having the deepest leaves. So I have to return this particular node as a result, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So what I have done is, just to reduce the time, I have already written a function that calculates the depth of the tree. Now what I need to do is I just need to figure it out, what is my left depth and what is my right depth. Let's say what is my depth and then what is my right depth, right? So I'm gonna call this function. So this is going to return me, so for a given root, so this is my starting point. For a given root I need to find, let's say I'm at position 3, I need to find what is my left and what is my right depth. So I'll pass left as a root dot left, and to calculate the right depth I'll pass at a root dot right. So I say depth and then root dot right, and just I cannot do further expand, but yes, anyways. So I got the left depth and right depth, right? So I have to see if left is equals to, in case I'm at this position, right? If left is equals to right depth, then I just need to return root. If left depth, sorry, if left depth equals to right, then I know, so the result is basically right. Else I see if left is greater than right. If left, because in this case if left is greater than right, then I have to traverse on the left hand side. So I'll again say if left is greater than right, then I will traverse to the right hand side, left hand side. So I say call the left hand side, left, root of left. Else, in case where right is greater than left, then I traverse the right hand side. So this is the default condition. Alright, so that's the code, overall code here. So I trying to determine what is my left and right depth, and based if they are equal, then I just return the root as a result. If they are not equal, one of these is greater, if left is greater, then I will traverse to the left hand side. If right is greater, then I will traverse to the right hand side. So let me test this function. So basically I need to return here, otherwise it will not recognize. Alright, so that works pretty well. So if I submit, it should work fine. Alright, thanks for watching for today's video. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Thanks.